Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sit, close the door, and secure the transmission in park so the safety interlocks permit ignition. Make sure you have the fob or mechanical key. If the fob battery is weak, you'll need to insert the emergency key into the slot or hold the key against the start button sensor. Press and hold the brake pedal. This tells the car you intend to move. Once done, press the push button firmly to engage the starter. Listen for the engine's initial crank. You should hear the starter engage and the engine catch. If it takes a moment, keep holding the brake and avoid rapid pressing, which can overload the starter. Observe the dash. Oil, battery, and check engine lights should illuminate briefly then extinguish as systems initialize. Immobilizer light going out confirms the key matched the car. If the engine won't crank, move to neutral or use the shift lock override and position the key by the sensor before trying again. Because once the engine is running, check for a steady idle and that warning lights are gone. Release the brake and select drive or reverse only when safe to depart. To stop, bring the car to park, press the start button to shut off the engine, and lock the vehicle with the fob or mechanical key. If starting fails, one key troubleshooting tip: replace the fob battery or use the emergency key. Also wiggle the steering wheel to release a locked column, then retry. If unresolved, contact roadside assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.